Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. I left you hanging on the last video with this hair clip. This one is going to feature a bob transformation. She has very thick, full hair with this particular bob, and the stylist does a great job of just kind of modernizing it with an off-center part. And it looks super straight at the moment, but I'm pretty sure he's going to add some waves, curls to it. Ooh, surprisingly, he actually left that bob straight. That's something that we rarely see nowadays. Quite refreshing, actually. So next up we have another bob transformation. So this one looks like it's going to be about neck length. And the stylist did add waves with this one. She has a beautiful off-center part with this. Gorgeous chocolate brown colored hair. So then we move into the next bob haircut transformation. This one looks like it's going to be more of a lob. So she looks like she's getting some beautiful bangs with this one as well. Oh, love the amount of volume the stylist was able to achieve with all of those layers, the bangs, everything looks gorgeous. Her hair looks so fluffy and healthy. So the next hair transformation, so she kind of started off with a bit of a shaggy cut. It looks like she's going to be getting a bob with this one. And she already has beautiful bangs. So she ended up getting more of a neck length style bob. She does still have that wispiness to her hair overall. Gorgeous. So moving right along, looks like she is going to be getting a lob haircut transformation. And then we move into yet another bob transformation. Oh, the stylist is creating a lot of choppy layers with this one. And then we see this gorgeous platinum colored pixie cut. Alright, you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed checking out these modern and trendy hair transformations. If you did, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.